It's a new day, it's a new adventure. It's also kind of late, it's 5:30. And I'm gonna take apart my chimney, all of that stuff, all of this. I need to get rid of this chimney and the chimney in the bathroom downstairs and the ceiling of the kitchen downstairs. This time I'm also protected, I've got a helmet. I feel like being back in Canada. I had a yellow helmet in Canada. Alright, that's enough for today. I'm gonna join my friends for a nice barbecue now, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna charge. How do you say charge? Oh, in French you say charge. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna put all my bags onto the truck and go to the recycling center. It's 8:30. I've been awake for like half an hour now. I had a cup of tea. I hope for a nice smooth run today. I'm definitely gonna be on my own, but that's alright. Let's do this. I've never seen such a long queue in front of the recycling center. That's gonna be a long wait. Good morning. It's 7:50 a.m. It's a very early start for me. I'm back at my truck. I'm gonna charge, go to the recycling center. I hope to be there at 8:30 or 8:40 and avoid the crowds. And yeah, I don't really know what else to do. I might take off my ceiling today, but I don't know. But I'm gonna make the most of today because I've got the truck, I've got time. I'm super tired, which is not so good, but I slept well, but I'm so exhausted. Everything hurts from yesterday, but I mean, it's my own bloody fault, so I don't have anybody to blame. Yeah, it's 8:30. I'm gonna be at the recycling center in 5 minutes. I put around 25 really heavy bags in my trunk, and yeah, can't wait to be back on this route in a couple of hours with the second load. I'm gonna be back this afternoon with another load. I'm heading to the recycling center for my second tour today, and I kind of got hurt. I don't know what happened. It looks big, but I think I just hit a nail or something, but it looks kind of frightening. It's not. I didn't even notice it until it started bleeding like hell. That's it for today. Nice shower and then bedtime. This is fun, but there's still a lot to do. wait to get all of this finished one day. There's still a lot of work. I'm half contemplating taking the whole wall off to have a nice entry to the living room. That's fun in the summertime, not so much in the winter when it's freezing out here. This is gonna come off in a couple of days. All this glass, I'm gonna give it to my buddy Jerome. We decided to put in new locks at my front door so that I can abandon the back door. And I just bought this baby for 53 euro. That's like a lot of money for such a shitty small thing, but then again I hope like it makes my front door more secure. I've got this baby, gonna replace it. Well, this is gonna go here. Yeah, we're gonna have a party here later on, like some drinks. I bought some crisps and stuff, and some wine and juice, and yeah, just with a couple of neighbors, a couple of friends. Busy in the last couple of days.
Ah, t'as eu la nouvelle.